Welcome to Resilient PNT 360 and 180, where we give you a 360-degree view of a topic in 180 seconds or less.
My name is Felix, and I'm a software developer for Skydel Simulation. For Skydel users, I'd say it means more flexibility. It means you can customize your experience. It means you can do exactly what you want to do. So for users, it's a way to integrate into Skydel user interface, because that's what the plugin does. You can add buttons, widgets into our application. Those button widgets run code. You also have access to all the Skydel real-time data. So when you run simulation, you have access to satellite position, receiver position. You have full access to the Skydel engine. You have full access to the Skydel UI. You have also full access to the Skydel remote API. It's just a way to automate your experience, but in an even more integrated way. So it's not just a Python script with our remote API. It's literally in the Skydel UI. I'd say that we have a lot of customer requests that involves pretty specific stuff, and we cannot just add every request into the software because the software will be all over the place. So what we thought is, what if we gave the possibility to users to do whatever they want? So yeah, if they want this little tweak or this little change or this little feature, well, they can fine-tune it and customize it to their like. We thought that giving flexibility to the software would enhance the experience of using Skydel. So we do know that a lot of people use the remote API, our automation framework, which is really strong. So we thought to ourselves, what's the next step? Because automation is good, but what can we do more? Well, we can just give the user the chance to write his own code and put that into Skydel. Here you can just ask to the community. You can talk with us. We have the Learn Aurelia forum where you can ask questions about plugins, which plugins are known, which plugins are good, what can you do to develop plugin. And you can also just go on our GitHub page where we have all the SDK and also the documentation associated with it. And we're also always open with questions directly to us. You can contact us directly and we'll always be happy to help you. And we're there to support you. You're not alone. It's not we're giving you a bunch of tools and we're telling you do that on your side and we don't want to hear about it. No, we want to hear about it. We want to hear you talk on the forum. We want to hear you send requests to us so we can help you. And also make the tools better. I'd say we just need to keep the conversation going and keep growing the community. For the next steps, right now the plugin is well integrated, but on the user interface side, we have a section reserved in the UI that's for plugins. But what we want to do later on this year is to give the user the possibility to fully customize the UI of Skydel. So that means having your own tabs, moving tabs around. And that means integrating even more into the Skydel UI. And we also want to continue to grow our community, to use sponsorship with the OAP program, with universities all around the earth, because the plugin architecture, everything is open source and we can't do much if we're all alone in our corner. The best thing to do here is to get together and share ideas and just have fun with it.